Hi everyone, I'm Kanjuan. As a marketing manager, I would like to present regarding the demand for product and service, also create a strategy in market on the product and service. The main objective for marketing manager is increase sales, improve awareness, increase customer satisfaction, attributing marketing activities to revenue generation. For our marketing management organization for the new extension, consider myself, marketing manager, and discount complementary product manager, advertising manager, direct marketing manager. For the strategy of 4P marketing, it consists place, promotion, price, and product. The first product, in long run, be slim in design and come fully loaded with further. And also, the product have potential to carve out a niche segment. Second, place. We will use direct way for buyer in order from our company website, and customer also can direct buy at electrical retail shop. Third, pricing. Price electricity analysis on our product, which is comparable to current high-end fully automatic washing machine. For the last promotion, we will go through the TV, newspapers, and also direct giving away the discount, gift voucher service, offering, and free detergent.
Hello guys, I'm Mithyaraj, the engineering department manager of Washerworld company. So here I am presenting my report to the CEO regarding the new factory extension planning. Okay, now I shall start. First of all, I would like to provide some description about how the engineering team would be able to contribute to our readiness of our upcoming factory extension. Then, I would like to talk about the commitment of the engineering team. As their manager, I can safely assure that our engineers is committed 100% in working hard to achieve our company's upcoming factory extension plan. In terms of responsibility, I've assigned certain tasks and planning to the team that varies from multiple engineering groups. Next would be NPI. Since our company is launching a new product, which is new product introduction, which is a black washing machine with gold handles, I've assigned a specialized team that handles on the product development of our upcoming new product. As for the goals, one of the main goals is to achieve the highest safety standard in our new factory. Second, SOP. We have to make sure that each and everyone in the factory follows the standard operating procedure that has been set by the factory. Third, certain assessment has been made by the engineering team to ensure that this product becomes a successful product. Finally, quality. So to make a quality product, our engineering team has strived very hard and make sure that this product doesn't become a failure. As for the engineering team, there are three groups I've assigned. First is the industrial engineering team. In this case, one senior industrial engineer leads two junior industrial engineers. Example of their works would be preparing the whole factory extension layout, working with vendors in preparing the facilities in the extension plant such as air supply and water supply. Besides that, they would be also working on the local electricity distributor for the new substation installation for electrical supply and for the extension plant. Next would be the equipment engineering team. I've assigned some crucial tasks to them, such as installation of equipments and tools before the deadline. They are also responsible in setting up the motor control center with the help of manufacturers, on-site engineers. Besides that, they would also be responsible in creating a complete power layout system and an overhead conveyor system. Next would be the process development engineering team. which consists of 2 engineers. This team would play a pivotal role in ensuring that our new product is being produced within the budget and with great quality without any defect. This team would also be responsible for overseeing any development regarding product and process flow. Next, I would be moving on to the project management and control. The first one is to make sure that the engineering team has their respective Gantt chart to make sure all their tasks has to be completed by time, and this chart would be a reference for them to prevent them from falling back in terms of tasks and planning. Next, the engineering team would come out with a checklist that would be imposed on every manufacturing employees to enable them to understand about the things they need to focus while operating or troubleshooting the equipment and about SOPs related to the tool. Besides that, each manufacturing employee which handles tools are required to undergo an engineering certification to make sure they are really prepped up with skills and knowledge they need to operate the machine. Finally, a new system called the buddy system is yet to be implemented to the newly hired manufacturing technicians or operators, where they are paired with senior employee to enable a mutual understanding regarding machines and process. So yeah, that's all from me. Thank you.
Greeting to everyone and Mr. Ho. I, Mugilan, as a maintenance manager, would like to present regarding maintenance management strategy for new extension area in the company. As we all know, maintenance management is one of the most important in project management team. A good maintenance management will lead the company for long-term success. The main objective of maintenance management in the company is to certify leader, control costs and budget, to provide safe and secure working environmental, scheduling work tasks, complying with regulation. Our maintenance management organization for the new extension area consists of myself as maintenance manager, followed with preventive maintenance engineer, spare part control supervisor, equipment or corrective maintenance engineer, and follow with 12 technicians. Here I could like to explain about the maintenance strategy in the new extension plan. First, the hiring of maintenance technicians. In maintenance management, we need 4 preventive maintenance technicians to maintain the equipment in the new extension area. 6 of corrective maintenance is to control minor breakdown, and 2 technicians in order to control spare part. Second, the type of maintenance that apply in the new extension plan is preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, and total productive maintenance. And the third, the documentation is also a very important maintenance strategy. The documentation consists of 2 categories: equipment maintenance log, which consists of general information of machines and list of maintenance actions. Second, standard operation procedure for the maintenance, we call as SOP. SOP for the new extension plan consists of workplace procedure, preventive maintenance procedure, machine handling procedure, emergency guideline procedure, and safety data sheet.
I'm Yoga. As a manufacturing manager in Washerworld company, is my job is to plan, determine optimal utilization of manufacturing workers and equipment to meet manufacturing goals, determine if new manufacturing machines methods are needed, and also to ensure that manufacturing stays on schedule with budget, plus coordinate manufacturing with sales, marketing, procurement and other departments as well as with vendors and shippers. The strategy of new product development, which that can raise the threats of widening the product portfolio and manufacturing different painted washing machines. And for at this stage, we have provided 12 stages, which will be the planning or the procedure should be initiated when producing new product introduction. The next slide, we're going to talk about operations management in manufacturing. Is to change resources into completed products. To play out this capacity in the present business condition, manufacturers must consistently strive to increase operational efficiency. So for this, making the decision involved in the effort to attain these objectives in the task of the operations managers. As gazette follows: production planning, production control and quality control. The new production shift and capacity is categorized into three. First is factory capacity in hours. Second, product SAM, serviceable available market, and line efficiency, which will be different according to the line efficiency and during learning curve or the initial days when the style is loaded into the line. The first slide going to talk about the advantage of high manpower in every department of corporations. Second, training which will be given for new operatives in a new product development. And the last one is existing production performance to be maintained in manufacturing. So for the conclusion, as a manufacturing manager, will oversee all daily operations of the plant from production and manufacturing to ensuring policies, procedures are followed, and also to develop the process that will maximize in terms of safety, quality and productivity, and also be responsible for production output, product quality and on-time shipping. Thank you.
Good day to Mr. Ho, CEO of the Washerworld and fellow colleagues. As a HR manager, I would like to share the strategy of human resource management towards the new building extension project to produce the colored washing machine. Employee life cycle. Under the recruitment, the new extension project is involving the projected headcount of overall 40 employees, including engineers, technicians, supervisors, storekeepers, and operators. This is involving the cost of £996,000 of a total estimated wage. Onboarding. The main purpose of induction training is to integrate the new employees into the company and make them understand the systems and procedures followed by the organization. All these trainings and sharings are designed to ease out the employees to understand the basic needs. Planting our company culture into the new employees is to make them feel comfortable and enjoy their time in workplace. On the development portion, overall we are providing two types of trainings. On the web-based trainings, we have all core and compulsory trainings which need to be done in a yearly basis, and it can be done using our company intranet. Instructor-led trainings are those complicated trainings such as process training, soft skill trainings, and technical trainings. Retention is considered as the most important and critical part of the employee life cycle, as we need to sustain the employment of the employee to reduce the turnover rate. The list of the benefits over here is considered as one of the best benefits offered in comparison with the similar industries and also other types of industries. Exit employment. In this portion, the most important part is the exit interview. The exit interview is to compile the reason of leaving, and we can use the data to further improve our company system or use the data to hire good employees based on the improvement of the interview session. The next slide will be performance management. As already known, we are still using the 5 points modern appraisal system. The first point will be the management by objective is to make the employees and the superior to recognize, plan, organize and communicate the goals based on the agreement. The second point will be behaviorally anchored rating scale, which is qualitative and quantitative benefits appraisal based on the behavioral related examples such as attendance and punctuality. The third point will be human resource accounting is an analysis performance based on monetary benefits. For example, like the cost saving project and eliminating 7 types of waste in lean manufacturing. The fourth point is assessment centers. It's based on the tests, exercises, discussions and simulation assessment. The fifth point will be 360-degree feedback. This is a notation of the feedback given by the people surrounding the workplace, irrelevant of the job scope. And that is the end of the report for human resource management.
My name is Ku Chejin, and I am the finance manager for this project. As for our current profit loss, as seen from the table, we have a net profit of £9,339,000 for the year before project. As for the additional costings relevant to the new expansion, as for the labor costs, for the annual salary for 3 shifts, we have a total of £1,764,000 for the overall shift total employees. For the miscellaneous costs, as for the maintenance costs, we have included repair tools at £350 for one time, lubrication oil, cleaning agent, both at £100 per month, and as for the spare parts, we would only order it when needed. For the marketing costs, there's a change in the fixed cost for advertisement at £5,000 per month, direct marketing at £1,000 per month, complementary products at £1,000 per month. As for the human resource cost, it is at £492,800 per year, which includes advertisement, trainings, medical benefits, and many more. Now I'd like to explain about our profit loss for the project. As seen from the table, there is an increase in net profit each year. Do take note that we have an additional expansion engineering cost at £3,250,000 for the first year. Now I'd like to explain about the cost and benefit analysis. As for the payback period, we have a payback period of 1.38 years rounded off to 2 years. We have a return on investments at 85.7%, which shows incredible efficiency to get back our investments. As for the net present value at a 10% inflation rate, we have a net present value of £27,058,253, which shows that we are able to sustain even at this high inflation rate. In conclusion, based on the financial data, this project is definitely financially viable. Thank you.